Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you all.
Any promise, no Spain, no President Edo Union. Wow, damn it all. You understand? When I listen, ID boys, I see you off web. Any promise, what will can Ian Bako fraud on my webo. Ian feel my go. A 419, any promise you, the webona. If you ever do Scotland, do it. You hit your ballet with Scotland one leg. Only at Spain. Or this is Spain. And I'm going to post in another Edo Union, the president of Edo Union Association. A president Edo Union ITF or the mind, you are fraud members of it. I wonder what he will do to the rest people. And these are the people now when I'm when you're born or bow. Even when I'm when you're born or bow, give you to the robo. That's wow. Every time. Iya mwina yobo, iya ati yowa, iya mi wanyani mwinego, iya flight ticket yowa every time. Iya yokbini. Iya wokan. Iya wokan na hinana. Donc koko do kinana koko do zena. President Edo Union. Lady President Authentic Ladies Club. Iya here the club, iya the MT. Iya fraud them go. Authentic Ladies Club or ije or wokan imana. Esosa. Ere promise. You understand? Ere promise. On our way, a coaching here with Jaquando in Nigeria. Let me tell you a story. This not super story. Oh God. This not super story. This not super story. This not super story. See them, they might come back again. See them, they might come back again. And about what they smile, they bring when they come out, Nayash, they come out. They were into human trafficking. See them, they might come back again. I say, Matu Nema, I thought this year. Into human wealthy trafficking. Human trafficking. Go to shortlize people. Now, Esosa no wayan he we atatikolo. Wayan yere promise. Or time we a coaching ye we Jaquando ri yen gbi ne Jaquando ne ma we ri yen wu na America ri yen wu ni Canada the government na bo wa mu ne we ko e na bo wa mu ne ko e the government ma wo ni or you know ya to you ya this type only. Now a coaching as a coach ye me man ye recruit ni train in Nigeria ni vie for competition. Good boy and girls. Both boys and girls. I go bust the code and the link it go leak. The format no ya me my go ehin wa ki mo wa or what moye de yo obunhu eno. No ye de yo obo obunhu eno. Even itara na wa video na gbo we mi ahon. A link in Esosa ere promise iwo ya tatikolo no ya fraud ma webo ehia open one wa down hona otien odudu no bo no reboot no we bota no to hama ma tota the social media they pet with mana gona otien no dion yon esosa no ya tatikolo wa ya yiri promise. You understand? A matter get gwan kana expect you win. Oze no do runda woman no yiye ke call or tin obono. Or adu na wo mi no pa wo yen. Inu enwa ya gbe manu ya gbe ma. Emi no pa sunu. Nda mi pa pe ran yiye ke call. No ya mi wi edo wo be webo. A lot of our women keep quiet, they could not talk because they are victim. They are what? Victim. Evidence. Anything way they do now, better Yahoo boy, better fraudster, money. And when all the anything, all the evidence in my way to make sure where you cover up it loud. Now, this is the evidence. I know you are fraudulent. This newspaper. You see this newspaper? On a newspaper, we have been Jaquando. The Nigeria government mana hiu bawa again on career Nigeria government with blow. In Nigeria now you know what the name. Yeah. Oh, oh God. Nigeria, oh God. We took get better people, better form that to that country. Oh, I have money what with Jaquando coaching. I make country near mana train. In if you want we bo. Iye la maya ugbo na yugbo iye kwe maya ugbo na yugbo beni ye gbo gbo na iye ni de ma Canada iye ni de ma Jamaica iye ni de ma Australia iye ni de ma America ni ya wa be via here more than 15 girls about 4 boys there ni train ni akun here na for competition wa go ye wa do ni motin otun here visa ga logo na wu ni wa ha we so man ni train no usema train Jaquando stadium yen no so yen wa kunya yen wa visa ni yen bana visa yen la diane yen wa vian ba fian Canada dare for Jaquando yen cha wonya chwa oh God, God. Hey, they promise no God. Ain't at all be. Oh, they promise all we are more way. And they will have a yell. Oh, can what mean? Because Oji, or Oji Joa. Oh, we know the money do what are ye. The stamina. Oh God, you can understand. When I promise what you want, oh yeah, give me snake in the monkey shadow. What you want? Oh, what you want? Canada. Oh God. Jesus. Can you imagine? Hey God. Hey, Jesus, our women don't suffer. Eh, man, I have put a liquid by home. Eri yegbe karat. Eri yegbe Jaquando. Eri yegbe Michelle. Oh God, you understand? You. my God. Jesus. Or you want my Canada now? He needs to put my say or say book Guinness Book of Record. Yes, say we. Ye wa ge my any baligone. We got €20 in May now. Advance on me way. You know they deny any money. Any money where you if you just play the trick, you want the €3,000 now, 3,000. If I 20 now power, go you know power carry on the card die. As he need money rich. Wait the fraud. He finish Edo Union people. Edo Union member. Or we are good D. Okay, we wait time on na home. Listen, the way they fraud the members. If they deal with you now, if they fraud you, you go to this thing where they say nobody want. I can't make we boo. Not tell the other person. No let person hear them. No let person hear and that one go say, okay, yes, sir. A president will use a president will talk better. Well, ah God. You go say go tell the other person. Go see the fraud that one. No tell the other person, no let person. And so that they finish all your members. I don't you know. Then no, una wait there for Spain. Una know wetin I dey talk. Una know why they talk. Una know say you don't fraud. Una know wetin I dey talk. So no know. Just I don't want to mention my name. When this man don't collect money for you now. You understand? But I do well. Ugarwabo oboji ase. Owo to garwawe. Oga irwawe. Owo ifiyan wa gui. Name today. There are some people where you go fraud, you go escape, you go eat the money successfully. You not go see anything do you. You go let cry to God. God, may you go do what to pass me and pass you. You understand? Now what happened to Esosa? No be Tatikolo. They are particular where they talk so na no. Who know you could not Tatikolo. You understand? Me I reserve some things. Me I don't open many things. Me I don't open many things. Me I reserve some things. As a man. Because I careful. But what's I want make the general public here, make them know. Una when they do something with Esosa. Esosa is a fraud. If you say a lie, make it come out, make it come prove am. Make it come defend and ask not to be fraud. Make people where you fraud, where you don't chop money, where you collect money from, where you collect money from Scotland, make they come out, make they come talk. Emmanuel fraud in the even the city where they now, the city don't cast now. As it don't cast, as we talk now, it don't pack for the city where they already ne. Ole obedi e kina mana ehon obedi aso agbin ayo. When you go out one you want revenue. Obedi city obedi na mana ehon obedi aso frauding. Obedi aso frauding city obedi na mana ehon. That's a source for you. Esusa is a dead fraud. Oh, everything on Nike now, Monavira Nike, they are all doing well. He is the one bringing shame to them. A pocket picker. Yeah, no matter what about where no matter what about whatever do they are more like. And when I say UK or you know, if I go and be a ban, who are more the idea with Bogodona Yahweh. Or where you had left Scotland, you had this Spain, or even say Spain, or the summer get back big talk, even if not going on, or in it when an hour no. We are like to be a fraudulent. Oman ge vanya. Keboke yano. Nolo. Eso ga ziguro to ziguro kuna unya kiran. Nya kenkeniaje. Nya igo noro eyeke. Ohan ki yan gon. Oti yan bono. Agoti yan bono odudu. Agoti yan bono. Oni yan. I said, do you allow you to be all gabu na meri onya wote. Iwo afo no de wodudu no do wie. Owodudu ni all do wie last. Odudu no Nigeria bo wa be yan. You know, you because of where igere iron lari. Uga yigo dan dukmo yuru igbina solo yo maru. Uga yigo dan dukmo yuru igbina o solo yo maru. Otinye ni yesini odudu no redo ohun sine. Agbobe ni o ba ebo hon ni. Eni oni influence oni o ya fraudima. Betoni ma maybe obe asasa bono etati kari ma influence odudu eso saya fraudima. What in your bodo me wi o ikibakba o ya ri ni wi erege ni secretary or every angle of average your so of your back near your fraud area zese no area fear no area wona no different kind of things man ya area was zese no akwe wala akwe miame akwe mami different things necessary use ya me my go social media. Where you see yourself when you have a walking. Every time you turn on the camera, or come back at all. We had a put no how to keep telling me or do. A Kenya do near you one level. A Kenya do near you one level. Uno as of do. Well, when the family was you the dog booking before Bowe village and me now or boy bay hotel boy hotel imoto no boy one never bone why are you there? One you watch your dog bona a dead with why you there? Our bon when you answer open here so problem a ya fe you go musu a ya your back local. Hello? Agree to your live video. No, Allah. All right, ciao. You understand? Wania bona ni azesena waye mude okpa ebe awen we worry yeah ebo ni ogbon gba emeno ya wa we be ni gege no o ma re ebe no na egbe oko edena yan re ebe no my sister. Don't waste yourself. Don't waste your time. Don't spend your money anyhow. Use your money to enrich yourself. Eat for your belly. Udego body no kun go gi o wani in wa you ebe hotel. When no kun go gi no ya gwa lo kun egbu we ma ebe too flat. Obo no when you go gi no ya nwina no no ya gwa lo dun no agbon. Obo be hotel ne. Common sense is not common. Don't kill yourself. Do the one you can do. Leave the rest for God. This life is too sweet for you to be stressing yourself. Because you are looking for problem, you want to look for your solution. You look for solution for one problem to another. From the more you follow native doctor, she write every day, every night. Now so you they add to your problem. I'm of imagine collect 10 million. If the devil give you 10 naira, they will collect 2 million for your hand. But you go to think, say that 10 naira, problem may solve. Thank God, though. The one where they don't collect for your hand, when you not, then they look, say, this will not be something. This will not be something. If you calculate, now you the loss. I went on go wow, do one name now. Area do what? Area do where we. Area do. Make I tell you one thing. You not really know me. Remember, I want him. organize to be me now. If I hear a counter before I came to Europe, if I hear a counter, eh, you could have known that a year where you call it. But this is why I do not buy any. My ogun ogun what's it ogun my encounter been 101. Nothing they happen. When you are 7 days in your me, ni ya nene. Imana me on that 7 days in your bonin me. And now we parwasi. E paso we my way a renene. Okbeni me kodi mi amene. Okbeni kodi amene okbe ina pa omene. Edukmo omene ele bai omene deni. Kedo ya ho ya what level like kene wa tinga emu so you to level. But I damage you ko omene. Never lao 7 days be okbe make 2 days. In fact, guess what now? The man you what I only was one. Guess what? I'm not joke. In a guess on that 7 days in the man. Who will have here boo any qua? Who do I lose an mega? Who do I them who do no Yaga? What am I letting a joke here? You know, let me joke here. In your feet, in the fire, can I found a pano with me a talo. Lawe, you give me swing. You understand? I'm a one railway book. One railway book. When you read the civilized country, 24 hours light. You may ask a webuna in any way. You may have up Nepal. Oh, my money where I'm a weko. I got it married. Or check it up Nepal. Weko. Oh, my money where I'm a weko in Nigeria. I'm going to have it married. I'm going to have it back. Na ha de te na bia so to no yeru weko on he na ari pa e wonu we jini ni ya na ye heneden. If you are passing through difficulties, you know what to do. E bo mu we la we bo o so lo bo wo yan re wo na o na re wo na o won no gba le gba ye kun o gba le gbo la we bo na o ma se we bo e gba ye kun e desert so jana e tu e ran wa ran ni ma ta ina dai mi libia wa de bi lo si ni ran na dai mi e so ya mo ya ifin egba ni re ya idaga ya fin egba ni ya na yan ni gele gba gbe me no ma gbe gba ye ku mo re ni we bona gba yen no gbe gba ye ku o ma le me pa ile biare e kan fo ya yi me ke la se ya je. You understand? Whether I go ya one like papa talk for the past many years. We tea baba talk by Uma Debeba, Umaro Rabikai, on which you talk by or Bo Wanya in Nigeria. Or fly more to live in Nigeria. Why you are here suffering? Take away all those native daughters, they have to go to. The greatest liars in my social media, Edo State is our native daughters, pastors. In a told we say, and what how me and what they're all doing those things for their own. Near Yafi, near Yari, more have you said it. Or where they're going to Kumaria by any hour. When a diagwe who does any cow, a bopanya in Yaga, here you room you put, here you do so. Who does it not winner? A David be a do back bed this a do me. A give a David. A dead boti kumari bae. A gegeno. O no yo kon no kokunde. No giare, no gemala, no ga lave na ki, nege hebe ki. A gegeno. When it tag ya ido. If oh eh. E dia agbe wa here ari phone. Nene bo am wa ari phone. Baba, imi na ni wa mi na naso. Enye na wala da wu e be pia. Imi na ni wa mi na naso. O lo gbona wa lo no gbona wa do ye kene. Imi na ni wa mi na naso. Enyela dan wu we ni mati denye inu bun eva me ga tam we mi na against all these women no social media, especially these presenters. One never believe when I'm saying some kind of things to you people, why would be he just want to present some of the topic in hala that we are holding a decade be and that is my occur irita imobiri. That's what some people that come and say, we have the spirit leads. My spirit can tell me not to come out, or they will not come out. I'll stay in my house indoor. Even if I put ya down that dog, yeah, was yeah, watch the live video because yeah, comment yo, yeah, crack a joke, you know, as the spirit leads. Wow, mo but papa never talk by oh, era me. Ah, your boy on Nigeria. Oh, boy, your boy wow, your boy you ba we dey. Your boy rabon su. Bobone su. Rabon si go besu ye gbere. Who na no da o da akenu. Ona. Ama we boro we bo waro. Clear. But you as a person, you know the kind of situation you are, and you know how to solve that issues. If you know what you believe, whatever you believe works for you. Even the Bible says the power is in our tongue. It's for ability for you to speak that and believe in it. It works for you. Or I believe you were abundant and solve the problem. Oh, so be it. So anything no way, fraud no where you ready to take it. Yes. Abundant cooking memoir. Oh, we know no plan talk by. Oh well. Ọ̀gá ìwé nù ọ̀bí pápẹ́rẹ́ nù ọ̀bọ̀n mi lànà ọ̀gá ọ̀wẹ̀ mi ẹ̀ ọ̀gá sẹ́nu ẹ̀nì ló pọ̀ mi wẹ́wẹ́ ẹ̀nà wẹ́ ọ̀sẹ́ni ọ̀ka yọ̀ ọ̀bọ̀ owó ẹ̀fà ẹ̀há ẹ̀nẹ́ ìsìn ẹ̀há ọ̀ka yọ̀ ọ̀bọ̀ ọ̀gá sẹ́nu ẹ̀nì ló pọ̀ mi ìbí ẹ̀dù ọ̀gá sẹ́ni yẹn yẹn rí ìbí ẹ̀dù ọ̀gá sẹ́ni yẹn rí ọ̀sán náà mi ọ̀bọ̀ àwọn bò ní rí gbé ní yẹn náà fọ́ ọ̀gá sẹ́ni yẹn forget where ẹ̀tẹ̀gàrí ní àríyọba lọ ọ̀rí mà níbi ẹ̀dùnkùn ìṣúlẹ̀ God's grace few náà yẹ yé wọ́n yẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà wọ́n yẹ nánà mi ìṣòwò ìrà dé yẹn dìyàn ìṣòwò ìdẹ̀wé yẹn mọ̀ adé rẹ̀ yẹn bá wẹ́sẹ̀ o òyìnbó ní wọ́n ti yẹn mọ̀ ìyẹn mọ̀ ẹ̀ náà wẹ́sẹ̀ o ẹ̀ẹ́ta wọn mú ẹ̀wẹ̀rẹ̀ náà ló slọ́tà ẹ̀wẹ̀ me made we didn't hear we were bogging one day. We are being you are here. We I do assist idea with you. My way there. Oh, we ever in your car, or turn on your car. Go talk and your car. You we want ya go to your car with the baby. Oh, a boy. Oh, ya mo gure ya mo bar ya wona ya wo mu nyere mu yelo boge mo na no to simiri ya mo na wo ha ya enye na no to simi oboka mo ya mo enye na no to simiri wo enye de na no to simi ha ti tenye na no to simi oh to wa ya mi ni du mo mi rigo yo to aya agwale ba ni fo wona kikpa e ba ni bele ku kikpa common sense is not common. Because they are abroad, or when we buy worry, or money in now, yeah, you are why use a brave war, you know, fraud war. When it will go win an elephant, eat like ants. Why the people at home they are using your money to be enriching themselves? You fly motor. Majority of what they brave, why not driving license, or maybe I drive here. It's one you know what they are driving like say tomorrow not do. Your own car, your own money, your own ass. Why you are here suffering? Majority of us here in Europe, we are still a slave. A slave, even though you move a passport in a ball, who are you in a slave? The difference between government Nigeria anyway, a man freedom than home. Oppression is not much like this. At oppression, you like home. While when one for years or what, Maju, yeah, why we didn't not to why we okay. This one of my mom, make I marry her. We will plan together. Next thing, the same man when you say you get without the get now, I don't get husband. Without the born, we will marry. Or you go where you big again Nigeria. Or whoever you are, only be the level. Where you where they are being one, no be one, you fly you one, or Garowa, or DJ Benuwadi. I have said this several times on this platform, and people have heard it several times. Stories like this. You understand? If women, I dey pity you sometimes so. This person will disgongwa was away, yeah. But sometimes I don't really yes so. I dey pity you na style. Suffer and suffer I wanna. If work about you, who so not so way I big. Or so we are tell well was zero boy. But if there is mess in your one even know man who does it in the car or ya bago boy you know a plan against people. Now the truth the kind of bad mindset we una dey carry against them. If you want to date a woman, freely of mind and date that woman sincerely. Don't wait now and misbehave woman like a who have a passy matter with peace of mind, with rest of mind. I walk on why it will be. Why it will be? Oh, when you see him why you going before today. We talk like brothers. Oh yeah, pa, baby, yeah. You put to you are off we just talk fine. Because where the maturity even my it matters. After my mind don't come down, more you tell my sister, last week when you move always. Forget it, make a peace with her. It's not compulsory where he must be your wife. It's not compulsory where he must be your husband. But that time when I look at when I ban on my building on a day a banana, that is the reason why you make peace. And respect your all. Okay, man, I see why I had discussing my question. Who are even whoever you go, whoever you bar, who are telling them everyone will tell him. It's very, very bad. Ọmọ ìbá mú ẹ̀wọ̀n rí gbà ọmọ akẹ́ àtàfi ẹ̀sẹ̀ yọ ẹ̀rọ máa wọ ní owó iná ni ọ̀rí ní gbé àgà ọ̀rí ní ọ̀rọ̀ náà ọ̀rí ní máa mọ́ ni tẹ́lẹ̀ mi àárín yẹn ẹ̀rọ wà fún un gbé à ẹ̀mí náà gbà ẹ̀mí náà kẹ́kẹ́. It's totally bad for we the men. Èmi ní gbọ́mọ̀ ní pọ̀pọ̀. Ẹ láìfì náà ọkọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ nù ọmọ. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n pè àmọ́ ẹ̀rọ pè àmọ́ wọ́n mọ́. You might be a man, be dating different women for years, but the day you just jam one woman, it does not mean who you marry. If God does not assign so, who must be your wife. For years, only take what you are here. I don't know what say you are peacefully. Who are here? That is what I hear there. On morning, so on your Zoe, or who you and that will off you with you. But it does not mean when you must leave that home with quarrels. Now, it will show the run of reference. Oh, why we did? It will show why run the reference. Yewe denuwa. When I'm here, why so? Why kwe? Nero viwa, doa me viwa. I must say, never why I couldn't room. But ero viwa. I think behind for a good one. Ọmọ we fifth for years. Where we there you see ne? Ọmọ yan so answer e bon ha do ya me to me ku me na ho di equal. That's number one. We say what nyangaro you be not there. You abandon those children for years when they were suffering. Your mama na say fatherly love. While the stepfather was taking the responsibility of those children all these years. Or we say those children don't want to become, they have become somebody in life. They want to bear your name now. It's unacceptable. The person you suffer with, you reap with that person because you saw there. We have to reap it. It is not done. That kind of case. Me support equally. Me support it equally me was support. Okubani me wa deal with. Those kind of men, why street beer no Josandi manik which is not good. Omo yekere 2 years, 3 years. Ukwe lera dwane ngoe hunda hume boyfriend. It's unacceptable. I'm not going to do whatever guero on the man who yes, what is phone. And you can fall in love, you can love more than never before. That will not withstand you to derive that man, the father of those your son or daughter, to be saying that the children is totally unacceptable. If you will, I will disgong you. If you are into that is a Zanzan association, I will disgong you. So whenever you play that kind of character, okay, with a video, a man the way topic. a platform mena e ma nya kakapot wa cause nya hamene nya sibo ni gaji jana ko nya be change. Majority of the women are calling and saying they are going to be changed. So we respected a problem in one a okay and one. And the real are good by the wrong one. It turn up now, it's not the main turn. I think very frustrating with the people because of say they want beautiful flat, they want beautiful check for Nigeria. Woman will give you money, more not a plan life. For you to carry the money, more not to plan life. You will go use a build hotel, wheel house, right under your name put. And at the end, you go leave that woman. My brother, that's in good. If they do your own sister, will you be happy? Sometimes, why we get boa? We even know who I aga who we not too no way without however. Or I believe ye book, what believe ye ifless, what believe ye such again. Who says again? One influence is born. You tell you yama. I'm a man white dollar you way. People are doing those things. Why here? Why was it? Why say no? Why the legit people you walk? Why are none got? If you have good mind, a street in where you can, what him we can you tie. Where we capital like street where boy you were graded there. They don't state me. Now call you call the why ya banya why you cream boy ya banya. You didn't wow. Okay, what they all in war. The respect of all those kind, I think they are only married on what. They are the day you go. If frustrating one of the people. Church again. I was silly good to you. Where was silly good to you? Silly good to you. Silly good to you. You're in America. And I kitana. Either mula a cage. Wow, ganya. You win now. I win. You go what die. You go what die. When I go on and many boys, they are a girlfriend in your big in France. The Paris. Ik be any take me a girlfriend in your big Paris. Yeah, you go there. It's a shame to you people. At this kind 21st century, when the world is civilized center, oh, you will be cannot be the Paris. Eh, we don't know what. I'm getting any book. Urewebu as a woman in opportunity is a woman. The highest person in opportunity is a woman. But who wanna do that? Yagutona, Abikbia, the Bokoyo, Abikbia, the Frodo. The way they swing is where I love you, I like you, Yale Basso. Do my Koyo, also I know, because in any way, if you go. Or anywhere we go, oh, well, it's still, yeah, I know. You understand? Now, if you do, we can't because well, I don't know what you say. I can't hold. If you mark it up, platform in Avena, Mude e Sosa. We are got a ticolo. Why are you promise? Can you come behind? Money will kind you wear it. You're saying that the pitching I balabi. A money will kind you wear it. Garcia dance you. Bed of the same feather flocks together. You understand? For Boku na know them. What make it here or say now post it like okay. This thing now, this is a newspaper. No, your form. It's a newspaper. A newspaper now. With a jaquando, a trainer, a coach here with jaquando. It's time. You have fraud them. Oh, we have you on your money if you are there, Bona. The year if you are there, Europe. You want to carry them come Europe now. So, two of you have you are there. For human trafficking, I mean, these are traffickers. Do one have you are there. Why we need them? What you are there? What are you going now? Visa and logo because what coming where you are registering where they are my trainee. A boss in here or guessing in trade. So the competition. It is a bambana visa again Latin. No, who know a boy and I be competition ni mu na hina na award na mu na hina all la newspaper a news ITV BS ya mu e gani understand e ya mu e newspaper na hina. That's how they will deceive you. This man will deceive you. So Nigeria not to Europe or illegal. Why be that's why I visa. You have interview. You have one and you go to interview. You want no the same way. Una when they want come abroad, no come abroad by fire by force. Why do you una not there you boy? Even if he himself know wetin I dey talk. I dey bust your own code now. A code name me go na on of the watch video now in town. When he ref Spain, when he in town, of you why the bull. A code no ya film and the bull and e wa come one. So that I share video now. Na go any home. E kini man na do. When you know if the man deal with through this man who are Oyo, understand? Isaga. Wahia what the yobo. So this is a very good message, information to all the general public, especially the people in the diaspora. The man not deceive me, both home and abroad. Both home and abroad. Why we platform me now? It might kill everyone. This time around, I'm not going to spare anybody out of all this kind of dirty arts. You get to my perform. On where big man on later over the eye of Wegbe. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. But on why on una misbehave. My brother, we type platform na wow. Una misbehave. No matter when I big cat na big winner or second. My brother, I go every on. It's just what it is. You are now. It may what now when I'm making out about what can you do? You understand? Una wa ya ni si if tinya we magbon the platform you know high. It's just the way it is. So biara ile sosa no ware France e ware Spain na no wa fraud them and the buwe all the name of Jakwando you have ma dia webo you have ma dia webo you akọ ma dia webo all me go visa ni mana ekiri mana do na hina eni igwe ko na Nigeria ini ba ko na e mana Nigeria. But when the bull over there or elbow, and when the bull on your way, any bobo or elbow, any tea bobo or elbow, any tea bobo elbow, no matter what. You understand? What it does, it goes in, what key will it go? Enough is enough. Of Vivian Wadona, enough is enough. This year, you know, better for many of them would do all this kind of things. What are? Why are we joking? Okado kadeno adag boy yoram ukam kala like we emiame waya ya mo to we go mana wa we boy bo emiame waya bo to because I will not suffer you guys sweat you guys udo la go to ume brain so lo bari yenwa go you fraud the person and collect that person's money. There is never a will to ya go boy way in anything you are doing in life that is not genuine. There is never a will to ya go boy because we done all it will back with on. It's not fair. I'm a woman so far. A lot of whatever going on 8 hours. Some people not only going on 10 hours. But the phone the phone they are all working hand to hand to make sure things get better. They are not more still over total or you or still not calculate with the winning yet me and I gonna is just to frame all these kind of things. Hoping we are hoping because nobody lift you up, uplift over. The one here to be trusted said, Iriedo, or not being a president, it should be the best person to trust. President Edo Union, or not going to trust say, bata, any. Is it not the shame for only a president of Edo Union? Now who trusting you? Or we do fraud or whatever. Now imagine maybe that kind of Edo Union have a president namugo igo ni ayemio igedo Rocky, I greet you out. Thank you very much. Igbigo bidoni ayemio. There you not see any. This is their Edo Union, Edo in diaspora, Edo Nini, Benin and enemy, Edo lights, Edo Nini mana okunya Edo lights nyama we be because why? Imani fake people were the real people. The fake people inside, the deceitful people inside of the organization is more than the real honest people. That is why the honest one cannot act because the fake one are more than the honest one. Majority win the vote. Eme beleku abunse, eme mata, ni e wodi a check. Eso pon pa no. E mata ma se mata. Nda ko te mata, e ma ho mo bonya kega. E mata mo so di gbe la de o pe kan, o mo so di gbe la de. We gba hen we na no bi awon na, e ma o ga affect on. E we na mi so ni ma we iku ma ele we bona. O ga iku we bona, yan de koro. E mi so no so nda iku ma de we bona. Aga o ga so nda ebo. Tiyan hang de gbe yan. E joke. You understand? Wa wonya, wa agbo my quick wa you da wa ye ke bia. Onyare we na. Before you do something, you check the advantage, you check the disadvantage. E ma ya no you see fi won. O gbo ma wa. E bi so ro no wa wo yo ma ni. Se na gbe wa. You understand? E bi so ro no ba lo won se, e na gbe wa. Which the label man and which is very bad. Oh man, you look good. Akure, okuna wiri. Sabo am you. Oh God, I had my drink. So you do. Zabini ga ata yaba. Otima esusa obi ga tatikolo. Ozi no do with Spain enigere. Edule mana ya va o magbo wa yin. Wa ya o se na mo ifotogela je ma do ma ho no ho no be gwe ibe we ni no no gwe o. You understand? Ofro do wa o mi bele kuno. Kinya ko kan giyan e kiyan wa do yin wa fro do wa. Yan o kan na yan. E city ni ya in Spain na kan na ya gbe po ne. Yan return. President Edo Union. Lady President, they name me Authentic Ladies Club. Odoame, ni Goviamba. Na ki o se ni ado. Awon no mi na ti padomo o. E padomo o. Awon no wa mi na. E Facebook o kan na hina. Tele aye vie wo yo ya. Yan si li vie, vie mi o ja ni. O me beliku o ya mo vie yuru. Tele on wa de wona ti padomo sa o ime wo ye avec mo sa. Do dia da e wana mi tota. Ene keniri ewu wa sota. Dize gejo ile kwa do ga pe ya ga o sa le to. Emi go kan na ge mi ebe to. Wona ri wona kede ipawe de re ni mederi. Ah, ekebe no ho oye gege oye nyenyenye we no go ni sana ho oh this man no be lie. You understand? O ni won oyi be ka ke pardon musa e ma mi na yi na yi meti na pardon musa ko si ma do mo iyan do mo on wi fi fo ma na ne o ji ba kan o ja emi no aka parak ba no goji no baba we this man high. Hunda wo kan gbene si wọn gbene mi la ọpẹ no ke yo eniyan ti ya frodo wọn hunda wo ti yan bono owo ti yan bono ba mi ro pa wi yen beti yan ma we udazi almost gba go boy we ni tinuri a mana we dusa hunda we obo oyire tusa owo so arira mi gba ma ori ole eni so ro bo ani ya mi o ke so ati ni ebo we ko so ma ti so ro bo ani e mi no o ni e bo ni no o ni ese You understand? Whatever I'm saying, I know what I'm saying, and I have evidence of it. The transaction and everything, I have it. You can really go on what comments when I Zoom. Where people with smile Zoom. You understand? All the evidence is here, all the conversation is here. Even my own his own conversation, my own is here with me. Where's Zuo? Told him Zuo. You think I come out here to bring out false accusation? Or you going to picture one like me? I will 419. When you 419, we feel killing me, not fake. Wa kan ya giste, wa we dey giste. Because who talk about me here? It's only a criminal that will defend a criminal. That's truth. It's only a criminal that will defend a criminal. If not for security purposes, ni movie joge, ni bot joge, no arrête ya, de tu ma, de room ma salon. If not for security purposes, ni bot joge, no error when wa when rubbish, ni room na box. Or you think we about this man is anyone? I don't know. He liquid so what they one by one. The way people are frauding people, I will be leaking your secrets. If you are doing anything, now be careful of what you are doing. Because if about this man here, I can't go. You know, that's be you anything, be you anybody. In fact, one man abroad, one of you will go, when we go, I'm going to buy. Oh, when you or do guys here, I'm going to buy. You understand? So, people agree to now. I will still keep on talking about this man. When I matter me fool, the matter me fool, then you have a point we will or for everything here like ya we have like you ya verse one ya verse one make it now no man how we now always home work no man work on we on next week. I'll continue to use to the advise people not on the wrong for this man called Esosa Agatatikolo no ya hen yere promise T-Bobo you understand? So yeah we have verse one now. Vous avez une état hansin avec biagima ya kakabole wana ya le wana kakaboka yimi wane wangi mata gime bako this man this time I don't discover women rich now it's time for our men. I know say na matter before I discover person I go for advice am. When you my agbe Monica, you carry advice in the Monica. Joma woto, omota ina joma woto, omota ina joma woto. Otameta ko na wonyo. Joma woto obiyu. Onyori, we cannot hear. He no hear wetin I talk. Okay now. Our men, the way we are treating our women. I'm not about myself. We don't be like I'm too good. You understand? We don't be like I'm good pass. That's why I'm not about myself. All of us, the way we, yeah, because I'm maybe the man here now, I don't bring myself out, I'm the representative of all the men, especially in the Europe settles. No, I go Africa home, in the Europe settles. The way we are treating our women, it don't make sense. You understand? You know, by the only men don't care. You understand? Yeah, if women misbehave. If women misbehave, we also tolerate. It's true. But one thing no kake ni mani ya when we here love you kina when we here friend na ikina na koke yes a character na perform one is different from the one na ya train where when you hear the friend who a character na ya train where or logan na ya train who that's first thing as a man. Before came you who in the streets or in Facebook, in any way, not that the people, and you admire the woman, you start talking to the woman. You supposed to this thing supposed to come your mind, say, oh, ona unimoge or logan unimoge. For you to make Okono have Senegal, Okono have Togo, Okono have Cameroon. As far as we are human beings, we have different attitude. But for you to be able to cope with that woman, you must have it in mind what there is some attitude about that woman that you will tolerate. There are some attitude you are going to tolerate. And the same thing with the woman, a man come to approach you in anyhow. For you to accept that woman, first thing you are going to accept that there are some attitude about that man that you are going to tolerate as a woman. For the both of you relationship to move together. You understand? It's very, 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 very important. Now, because normally, as a man, normally, I'm a friend, I marry. You date before you talk of say one go do marriage. During dating, now you go know say, this woman, I go fit marry, I go fit couple this one. You also get hand. Now love, now when love they shock you, now the man they dance say, will you marry me? They use during the beg woman, will you marry me? Now man they beg woman. Now only for this abroad, they say woman they beg man. You understand? Now man they beg woman say, please marry me. I love you. You go they beg, I love you. You understand? And the woman will accept. But do you also know some men where they beg woman say, please marry me? Some of they beg the woman because of the money where the woman gets. Because of the things where the men see they want benefit from that woman. Don't be real genuine love from God. We know. Some of them are still scam. Like this kind of man, this kind of like local so. If they beg you to say marry me because why? He wants see, you don't already see money where you they gain. You don't really see the kind of things where they enter your hand. So you don't see as okay, this kind of one, we have one as a banker. They all call banker, they get one they call banker, plan B. In case this one they follow so fuck up, you're cheap, this one, you have to follow this one. They get plan B. Any man where they get plan B, where they get woman outside, they get backup. You know, they feel the marry woman. The truth. Because if the first one you deal with end, you go plan B. As you deal with plan B, go the plan C. You get them. They always they end up womanizer. They always they end up womanizer. If they deal with plan B, they prepare plan C in case plan B still fuck up. Because he has not this stable and some a spiritual problem. Some a spiritual problem. You dey feel me so? You understand? So that's the reason why as a man, you dey here, you dey this country, you see woman, you like the woman. Focus, concentrate, cool your temper, cool the temper. This money wey we dey find, you know where the portion dey go. You see this way, we come meet this abroad. We still dey live here for them. How many you go fit carry? How many you go fit chop? You understand? How many euro you go fit pack? Even though they make you the president of this country, how many house you want to build? So why are you killing yourself? Why you dey kill your sister because of money? Why you dey fraud your sister because of money? Why you dey deceive your sister because of money? Why you dey put yourself in pain because of money? Why you don't free your heart, open your heart, tell love that woman, cherish her, cope with her, plan with her. When you rear children together, train those children together with peace and harmony in a good environment. Nigeria will be say erosion full everywhere, pot scatter everywhere. We still be love. We still need down. We still need down. Tell woman say, will you marry me? As everywhere spoilish, you will still need down. Still give woman. You will still carry woman go for eateries. Go give them food, eat. You know, feed them. How many men don't carry their wife come out for this summer? Put food for their wife mouth for public. Isaga, because why you don't want to put food for your wife mouth for outside? May your side chick not see you, or may the woman with the high not see you. It's not good. If a man want get rest of mind, you want last long. Look for a woman who get rest of mind. If you don't want to deal with a woman who get rest of mind, then you feel get rest of mind. If you deal with a woman who they troublesome, you don't feel get rest of mind. You don't feel get rest of mind. So please, I first of all, I just come out today now. I want to beg all our men for abroad, and the beg, no matter. I can't beg on. Anything where you know say your baby mama they do you, forgive. You see single mother everywhere. Who make the single mother? Now we, the men, now who made the single mother? Now we know some these are women, they get pepper body. Now so God they create them. You understand? Their body they hot. Whether black or white. Up by you dey here, now they hear. I English they speak in the year. Their body they hot, they get hot temper. I mean no phone, I mean error. If your body they hot, you be the cooler. Or you go cooler down. You be understand me now. If you don't be like that, you fire go down. Your woman body they hot, the man body they hot. What do you expect the children? They don't get us of mind. Children go to school, they go to excuse face for head. Then when they come for school, they will not get jail for house. Because why? Papa na wako, mama na psych. You understand? The only way for you to build your house, if your woman like me, my own style different. But what I tell you about bonnet. No, no. What me want to do, me don't do with me. On the me, how me, Bobo me fear. Me fear, Bobo me be. Yan phone way. Wala, me a loco. I order my drink. When I go ask him beer, I come. I said, tell you, yeah, you tell me how to wash me. Then I now go close. And then I go close, maybe I ban. That's my praise. Oh, my beautiful wife, Lord, I love you. I love. When you look your face. Quando o guedo lá no rio, let me not touch me. I'll be leave me at the verse. Why you go the verse for me? And that time your voice will come down. You know me say you stupid though. Because why you want to repair your house. You know me say you stupid. And that time your voice will come low. Why the verse of it? You don't do. But some of our women not to the year. I know that. You give Again, we ask the coin.